What up? Hey man, you know what's good? Beans and rice, and onion, with sugar in it. Oh my god, man. Mm-mm-mm. The bomb. Yeah, really good. So what y'all doing today, man? Mm. I'm just waiting. That's what I'm doing today. Still ready for that change, man. That next change. That next spiritual change. The next happiness change. The new bicycle change, right? Yeah, ready for that change, bro. Hmm. Need to do me some push-ups change. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that abundance change, joyful change, all that, man. Bring on that change. Yeah, blah blah blah. Man, it's goddamn fire. I don't give a fuck. You like shit? Don't feed me. Smell that sugar, I guess. Hmm. Well, anyway, man, I just want to tell y'all, rice with sugar and beans, it's so good. Peace out, man. Much love, man. I'll holler at y'all later. Sir, yeah, have a wonderful day, man. Really, 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 really nice out here. Ciao.